Where is he hiding? Oh, there he is, young Michael again. Girls were always attracted to him, but he never makes a move. So scared, controlled by his fears. Everywhere he's going, it follows. His life is so limited by his fears, and he doesn't even realize that. Oh no, Michael. Big Mike, an older version of young Michael. He's so confident, so clear with his intentions. Everywhere he goes there with purpose. It seems like he doesn't even know what a fear is, and girls are so crazy about him. Big Mike sees young Michael struggling, so he comes to help. He grabs him by his hand, which is instantly broken, and tells him his story. He used to be scared too, but one day he realized he didn't want to live a life so limited by his fears, so he battled them. Do you see those arms? And he won. He defeated all of his fears. He leans forward and tells Michael, "It's in your head."
Right folks, Mike here again. Today we're gonna hit another gym session. I'm thinking about chest and tricep, just isolated bicep workout. Chest and tricep, it sounds harder, so yeah, let's hit this. Of course I will show another value, some value, like always. Right now I think warm up, morning walk. Then I will hit some muscle ups. It's usually reading How to Win Friends and Influence People. I've read it like 6 times, 6 times. And the reason why I want to do this for the 7th time is because it makes magic. Right folks, time to hit a warm up. I have to set it to make it look cinematic. Warm up of the day. Some nice muscle ups, as always. Hell yeah. Everything is cracking. As I said, today, chest and tricep. Maybe something more. It depends, as always, on energy levels. Let's go. The first exercise being a classic bench press. I prefer to do a flat bench press. It might feel harder. Results are better in my case. So yeah, till failure, of course. No reps, since every time till failure. Getting ready. Nice pump. Me well. As you do, I'm gonna spice it a little bit. One more interesting thing, it's not on a gym topic, but this itself, it helps. If you are struggling with social anxiety, try it out. I was. And now it's like you don't give a fuck, you don't care what others think, because most of the times we are in our head thinking about what others think about us. Are they judging us? In reality, nobody cares about you. We all care for the most part about ourselves. It's our human nature. We are selfish like this naturally. It's normal. So let's put an example. If you pass someone, for example, me vlogging, you're gonna think about this person for, let's say, 30 seconds, then it's gone, this thought. You don't care about this person anymore. So yeah, it's like this. No one cares about what you do in reality. Think about this. Keep it in mind. Because if you're gonna be constantly afraid like this, if there's gonna be this fear in your head which doesn't even exist, it's you create this. You create this fear, this form of fear when you are afraid to step out of your bubble, when you are afraid to pass the boundaries which you set yourself. There are gonna be many things you will miss, opportunities you will miss. In reality, you can talk to anybody, anytime. There's nothing scary about it. If you practice, of course, practice is gonna make perfection. It's the way it is. The more you do something, the better you get at it. Like this vlogging thing. When I first started it, I didn't feel it. To be honest, I felt a little bit afraid when people were passing me in a different direction. But now I don't care. You are doing what you love to do, what excites you. That's your purpose. If something makes you excited, if your work makes you excited, it is what you should do. If this work makes you go far beyond your boundaries, it's the right thing to do. We are progressing, right? So yes, these are my thoughts on the topic. In gym slang, it's called like you're fighting your inner demons. So take it this way. So yeah, another exercise is gonna be incline till failure. Yeah. Try to find something which fulfills you and invest your time and energy into that. This is my opinion. Now let's eat nice old school dips till failure. I will of course add some weight. Want to make it hurt, make it burn. This is what I was looking for. So yeah, let's add a little bit of weight. Chest is done. I have to hit triceps. Both of them, of course. It's free, so gym is pretty much empty. I'm gonna use it. Pull down is on the program of the day. Sets and reps. It's gonna be always the same, and sometimes you won't even raise a weight up. So the results are gonna be there, like at the beginning, but after some period of time, there's not gonna be enough progress in your muscle mass. So you're gonna like stay the same, which you don't want to because time is flowing. So save yourself time and go beyond your boundaries. Personal opinion, as always. What I mean by that is that because I didn't increase weight, because I didn't push myself to boundaries, I got stuck. I got stuck in progress. I mean, muscle growth. For an entire year, I didn't make any progress. I stayed the same. And it's not motivating when you see your friends starting to get bigger than you. That was when I have realized that yeah, I should try to push myself through this, take some action. That's what I mean. Another training suggestion is to drink more water. I usually drink 2 of these. It's, I think, 1 liter, so 2 liters per training session, at least. If you want to grow huge muscles, you have to keep yourself hydrated. Now I'll take a short rest. I'm gonna hit neck training because I feel like it. Honestly, I think I have enough energy to hit another additional muscle group, especially neck. I can't miss it, never, because it gives you this aesthetic look. Plus, of course, if you train traps and necks, it gives you, it makes you look much bigger than you actually are. Google it out. Look, I bet there are some comparisons. I personally think it's a good thing to hit. Before you start training neck, do a warm up. You don't want to hurt yourself, especially if you're training your neck. It's part of your spine. If you're gonna hurt yourself during these exercises, it might be permanent. I'm not joking. Be careful and don't lift some weight you can't lift. Take it easy. If you have never ever trained your neck before, it doesn't make sense to go for 9 kilograms or 10 kilograms of weight like I do. I do train neck for some time now, So I quite genuinely can. But if you are start with 2 kilograms or 1 kilograms, or I mean with no weight, with no additional weight, because it is a muscle group you have never trained before. You are doing it like for the first time in your life. So if you go with no weight, there are gonna be results. You're gonna feel it hurt. And I mean, when I was doing these exercises for the first time, it burned like hell. You're gonna see by yourself. Don't be afraid to drop weight. I had 9 kilograms, now I'm gonna go for 7 kilograms. No big deal. First exercise is done, now I'm gonna go for the second exercise, which is basically the same but opposite direction. Give it a nice stretch right here. Like this. Done. So, leg is done. Now we're gonna hit the last exercise on this tricep. I was thinking about taking a rest, so when I had rest, I hit neck. Simple as that. So now let's take it back to hit the last exercise. It's gonna be dips again, but now focus on the tricep. Now I'm gonna show you a difference. When you do dips, focus on tricep, and when you do dips, focus on your chest. It's all about angle. This is the difference. When I go for triceps, I go more focused to hit 90-degree angle here in my elbow. When I go for chest, I basically let my torso fall down. You're gonna see it. I won't describe it. That's it. This last exercise. Tricep focus dips. Now I'm pretty much done. I've hit everything I planned. But I'm gonna hit one more thing, another muscle ups, just from curiosity to see if I'm still able to make a clean form. Just tricep. Time to get naked. That's all for now. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So yeah, better yourself and stay true to who you are, brother. Goodbye.